Feel that rumble? That's not just engine noise, it's the sound of American power in the sky. When it comes to unstoppable force and precision, the United States leads the world. And when we talk about the most powerful attack helicopters, no one comes close to America. First, the A-64 Apache, the king of the skies. This helicopter is a flying weapon, with Hellfire missiles, a 30mm cannon, and top tech. It can destroy anything in its path. No one delivers firepower like the Apache. Next, the A-1Z Viper, sleek, fast, and deadly. With guided missiles and a 20mm cannon, the Viper strikes fast and hard. It's a true American powerhouse in the sky. Now, let's talk about the Mi-28 Havoc, Russia's best. It's okay, but compared to America's helicopters, it's outdated. The Apache and Viper are on a whole other level. And don't forget the Ch-53K King Stallion, the strongest lifter in the sky. It may not be an attack chopper, but its huge cargo capacity and power make it a vital asset. These helicopters are more than machines, they represent American strength. When they fly, the world knows America controls the skies. No one does it better than the USA. Think your country has helicopters that can match these? Think again. Like, comment, and subscribe to see the power of the stars and stripes in action. This is the power of the USA.